This video will cover difficult part 2 questions regarding the topic of geometric sequences and series. This is the first one. It is the May 2007 SL Paper 2 Studies question. Number 1A, U1 equals 1, then D equals U2 minus U1 equals 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. Number B, Sn equals n over 2 times u1 plus un. So Sn equals n over 2 times the first term is 1 plus nth term is n. Number C, use the formula as 200 equals 200 over 2 times 1 plus 200 equals 100 times 201. The final answer is 20,100. Use the formula Sn equals u1 times r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. So Sn equals, the first term is 1. The common ratio is 3 over 3 minus 1. Then sum of the nth term is 29,524 equals 3 to the power of n minus 1 over 2. Then times 2 on each side, 59,048 equals 3 to the power of n minus 1. Then 3 to the power of n equals 59,049. Then use the logarithm, n equals log 3 of 59,049, which is 10. If you didn't learn this yet, you can use the calculator. Number B, the common ratio is second term over first term, which is 1 over 3. Number C, Sn equals u1 times 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. Then u1 equals 1, 1 minus r equals 1 over 3 to the power of 10 over 1 minus 1 over 3 equals 1.49997. The final answer is 1.50 in 3SF. In G2, S100 equals 1 times 1 minus 1 over 3 to the power of 100 over 1 minus 1 over 3. Both 1 over 3 to the power of 10 and 1 over 3 to the power of 100 are 0 when corrected to 3SF, so they make no difference to final answer. Number E, the sequence G1 is 1, 3, 9, 27 like that, and sequence G2 is 1, 1 over 3, 1 over 9, 1 over 27 like that. Then G1 plus G2 make 2, 3 and 1 over 3, 9 and 1 over 9, 27 and 1 over 27. The sum of the sequence given is 29,524 plus 1.50 equals 29,525.5. This is the May 2012 SL Paper 2 Studies question. A number 1. Un equals u1 plus n minus 1d. So u6 equals u1 plus 5d. And u10 equals u1 plus 9d. Number B, u6 is 100, u10 is 124. So u1 plus 5d, which is u6 equals 100. u1 plus 9d, which is u10 equals 124. then minus cancelled, minus 4d equals minus 24, then divide by minus 4 on each side, d equals 6. Then put in here u1 plus 5 times d equals 6 equals 100. u1 plus 30 equals 100. So u1 equals 70. Number C, the formula Sn equals n over 2 times 2u1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then S20 equals 20 over 2 times 2 times 70 plus 19 times 6 equals 10 times 140 plus 114. The final answer is 2540. Number D, Sn equals n over 2 times 2u1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then n over 2 times 2 times first term is 70 plus n minus 1 times the common difference is 4 equals 1600. Then n over 2 times 140 plus 4n minus 4 equals 1600. Then n over 2 times 4n plus 136 equals 1600. Then times 2 on each side. N times 4n plus 136 equals 3200. Then expand 4n squared plus 136n equals 3200. Then divide by 4. N squared plus 34n equals 800. Then n squared plus 34n minus 800 equals 0. Then you can factor n plus 50 times n minus 16 equals 0. Then n equals minus 50 and 16, but n is positive number, therefore n equals 16. Part BA is 9 and 27, and number B, r equals 3 over 1, which is 3. Number C, this one is 5 times 1, the 10 is 5 times 2, 30 is 5 times 6. So 0 means 5 times 0. So 0, 2, 6. There are 7 terms. So u1 equals 1 times the ratio is 3 to the power of 6. The answer is 729. Number D, Sn equals u1 times r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. So S7 equals 1 times 3 to the power of 7 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. 2186 over 2. The final answer is 1093. Number E, 1 times 3 to the power of n minus 1 over 3 minus 1 equals 29,524. 3 to the power of n minus 1 equals 59,048. Then 3 to the power of n equals 59,049. Then use the logarithm, n equals log 3 of 59049, which is 10. Or you can use the calculator. The message starts at 12. We already know this one is the 7th term. Then 1235 1240, 1245. This is 8, 9, then tens. This is the last question. It is the May 2014 SL Paper 2 Studies question. Number A, 60 times 24 months equals $1,440. Number B, the first term equals 10. The common difference D equals 15 minus 10, which is 5. Then UN equals U1 plus N minus 1D. Then U17 equals 10 plus 16 times 5, which is 90. Number 2, Sn equals n over 2 times u1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then S24 equals 24 over 2 times 10 plus 23 times 5. The final answer is 1620. Number C, U1 equals 15. The common ratio R equals 1.1. Then number 1, UN equals U1 times R to the power of N minus 1. So U13 equals U1 equals 15 times 1.1 to the power of 12. The final answer is 47. Number 2, Sn equals U1 times R to the power of N minus 1 over R minus 1. So 15 times 1.1 to the power of 24 minus 1 over 1.1 minus 1 equals 1327. The number D, 1500 times 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the power of 12 times 2. The answer is 1691. And number E answer is option D. Number F, 1750 equals 1500 times 1 plus R to the power of 2. Then divide by 1500 on each side. 7 over 6 equals 1 plus R to the power of 2. Then 1 plus R equals square root of 7 over 6. So R equals square root of 7 over 6 minus 1, which is 0.080123, 8.01%. I hope this video has been helpful. This is the last of 6 videos covering geometric sequences and series in IB past paper. Previous lessons are linked in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.